Ever wondered what just 30 push-ups a day could do to your body in just 30 days? In this video, we're going to explore the incredible changes you can expect from committing to 30 push-ups a day for a month. We'll delve into muscle growth, endurance, and overall health benefits. Stay tuned to find out how this simple exercise can transform your body and why it's crucial to pair it with a balanced diet for the best results. Immediate benefits. Days 1 to 10. In the first 10 days of doing 30 push-ups daily, you'll start to notice some immediate benefits that can be quite encouraging. First, there will be an increase in blood flow and energy levels. When you exercise, your heart pumps more blood, which carries oxygen and nutrients to your muscles and organs. This increased blood flow can make you feel more energetic and alert throughout the day. It's like your body is getting a wake-up call, and it responds by giving you more energy. During these initial days, your muscles begin to adjust to the new routine. This period is often called the initial adaptation phase. Your muscles might feel sore at first because they are not used to the extra work. However, this soreness is a sign that your muscles are getting stronger. The push-ups are challenging your muscles, which leads them to adapt and become more resilient. Scientific research supports these observations. A study found that consistent push-up routines can significantly improve upper body strength. This study involved participants who performed push-ups regularly, and the results showed noticeable gains in muscle strength and endurance. This means that even within the first 10 days, your muscles are starting to respond positively to the exercise. To maximize these benefits, it's important to fuel your body properly. Maintaining a healthy diet can provide the necessary nutrients to support your workouts. Carbohydrates and proteins play a crucial role in giving you energy and helping your muscles recover and grow. Foods like beans, lentils, and quinoa are excellent sources of these nutrients. They provide the energy you need to power through your push-ups and the protein necessary to repair and build muscle tissue. Muscle growth and endurance. Days 11 to 20. As you move into days 11 to 20, you'll start to see more noticeable changes in your body. One of the first things you might observe is a more defined muscle tone in your chest, triceps, and shoulders. This is because push-ups are a compound exercise that works multiple muscle groups simultaneously. By doing push-ups every day, you're consistently engaging these muscles, which leads to increased muscle definition and strength. In addition to muscle tone, you'll also experience enhanced muscular endurance. This means your muscles can work harder for longer periods without getting tired. For example, you might find that you can do significantly more push-ups in a single session than you could at the beginning. This improvement in endurance is not just limited to push-ups. It can also make other physical activities easier and less tiring. Research supports these findings. Studies indicate significant improvements in muscle endurance and hypertrophy, aka growth, after doing regular bodyweight exercises like push-ups. This research shows that consistent exercise can lead to substantial gains in muscle size and the ability to perform more repetitions over time. Proper nutrition continues to be important during this phase. Consuming protein sources such as tempeh and chickpeas can help support muscle growth and recovery. These foods provide high-quality protein that your body uses to repair and build muscle tissue after workouts. By eating a balanced diet rich in these proteins, you're giving your body the building blocks it needs to get stronger and more resilient. Strength and physical changes. Days 21 to 30. As you continue doing 30 push-ups daily, you will notice significant changes in your body by the third week. One of the most noticeable changes is an increase in overall strength. This means you will feel stronger and more capable of performing physical tasks. Your muscles have been working hard, and now they are stronger and more efficient. This increased strength can help you in daily activities, making them easier and less tiring. Along with strength, your physical performance will also improve. Physical performance refers to how well you can carry out exercises and physical tasks. By this stage, your body has adapted to the routine, and you can perform push-ups with better form and greater ease. This improvement is not limited to push-ups. You might also notice that other exercises or activities feel easier. Another exciting change is the visible muscle definition. Muscle definition means that your muscles become more prominent and noticeable. This is because the fat layer over your muscles reduces, making the muscles underneath more visible. You might see more definition in your arms, chest, and shoulders, where push-ups target the muscles. Regular exercise, such as doing push-ups daily, can significantly improve muscle strength and endurance while enhancing heart health, helping to make your heart and lungs work more efficiently. Proper diet is essential during this period to support these physical changes. It is important to avoid undereating and overeating. Both can be harmful to your progress. Undereating can deprive your body of the necessary nutrients, while overeating can lead to unwanted weight gain. A balanced intake of macro and micronutrients is crucial. This means eating the right amounts of proteins, carbohydrates, and fats, as well as vitamins and minerals. Vegetables, fruits, nuts, and seeds are excellent sources of these nutrients. They provide the energy needed for workouts and the building blocks for muscle repair and growth. A healthcare professional or nutritionist can help make sure you are eating a balanced intake of these nutrients. Mental and emotional benefits. In addition to physical benefits, doing 30 push-ups daily also brings mental and emotional advantages. Regular physical activity has been shown to improve mental health. One of the key benefits is reduced stress levels. Exercise helps lower the amount of stress hormones in your body and increases the production of endorphins. Endorphins are chemicals in the brain that act as natural painkillers and mood elevators. This means you will feel happier and more relaxed after working out. Your mood and cognitive function will also improve. Cognitive function refers to your brain's ability to think, learn, and remember. Exercise increases blood flow to the brain, which helps improve memory and learning abilities. You might find that you can concentrate better and think more clearly. Scientific research supports these mental and emotional benefits. A study shows that regular physical activity can significantly help to reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. This research highlights the importance of exercise in maintaining good mental health. A healthy diet also plays a role in supporting mental health. Nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids are particularly beneficial. These can be found in foods like flax seeds and chia seeds. Omega-3 fatty acids are essential for brain health and can help reduce symptoms of depression and anxiety. Importance of form and technique. When doing push-ups, it is very important to use the correct form and technique. Proper form helps you get the most benefits from the exercise and prevents injuries. Let's look at how to do a push-up correctly. First, start by placing your hands on the ground. They should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Your fingers should point forward, and your weight should be evenly distributed across your hands. Next, extend your legs straight back so that your body forms a straight line from your head to your heels. This is called the plank position. Your feet should be close together but not touching. Keep your core muscles tight. These are the muscles in your stomach and lower back. Tightening them helps keep your body straight and prevents your back from sagging. Lower your body by bending your elbows. Make sure your elbows are close to your body, not flaring out to the sides. Lower yourself until your chest almost touches the ground. Then, push back up to the starting position by straightening your arms. This completes one push-up. Using the correct form is important because it ensures that you are working the right muscles. It also helps prevent injuries. If you do not use the proper form, you could strain your muscles or joints. For example, if your back sags during a push-up, you could hurt your lower back. If your elbows flare out, you might injure your shoulders. There are common mistakes that people make when doing push-ups. One mistake is not keeping the body straight. Your body should form a straight line from your head to your heels. Another mistake is letting the hips sag or stick up in the air. Both of these mistakes can lead to injury and reduce the effectiveness of the exercise. Another common mistake is not lowering the body enough. You should lower yourself until your chest almost touches the ground. If you do not go low enough, you are not getting the full benefit of the push-up. In addition to using the correct form, it is also important to stay hydrated. Hydration plays a key role in muscle function and recovery. When you exercise, your body loses water through sweat. It is important to replace this lost water by drinking enough fluids that contain electrolytes. Staying hydrated, especially with electrolytes, helps your muscles work properly and recover after exercise. Water is essential for transporting nutrients to your muscles and removing waste products. It also helps regulate your body temperature and keeps your joints lubricated. That's all for today, thriving beings. So are you ready to take on the 30-day push-up challenge? Start today and see the transformation for yourself. Keep thriving and stay healthy.